I'm going to show you how to change the cabin air filter on a 10th gen Civic. As you can see, this is the base model. You want to open your glove box. You have these tabs that you want to pull in on both sides, and your glove box should go down. Gives you the clearance. First, you want to take the 20 pounds of crap that you have in your glove box, as you can see, mainly sauces. And right up here, this is the little door that holds the filter. There's a little clip. You want to pull in that clip, the tab. There should be another one on the other side. And you want to look at the airflow. The arrow goes down. My car's a 2021. We're in 2024. I've never changed the filter, so I expect it to be pretty dirty, probably moldy. My car has 20,000 miles. Bruh, that is pretty disgusting. This is gonna save you about 90 bucks. That's roughly what the dealer charges to, to do the service. This is the filter I got from AutoZone. That's the part number. Again, it fits all the trim levels of the 10th gen Civic. Look at the difference. Let me open this up. Alright, here's the filter. Remember what I showed you earlier? Airflow. You want it down. Otherwise, you're going to not be filtering right. There's the slot. Just want to slide it in there. There you go. It's on. Then you just want to put your cover back on. It's kind of hard to see while I'm filming. You want to hear it click. There you go. And then you just want to put this door back on. You want to fold these in to help it go in.